Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, Memorial Day. I don't work because it's Memorial Day. So we're gonna go on a little hike. I'm going to take my daughter. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. So wish me luck. She's been in a mood. She's just been in a crying mood. So let's see how it goes. I have allergies. Are you ready? Yeah? Yeah, wait. No, Kira. We have arrived. I'll take this off. Is it cold? No? ¿Está caliente? ¿Es una piedra? Oh my gosh. She's so happy about that one. So mira, es piedra. Where is her? Let me put sunscreen on her. I don't know where should we go? We're gonna go see water, okay? Animales. Oh crap. Are you sure we're gonna see animals? Why is it kids? What? What's the difference between kids and maybe some more money? ¿Qué? Okay. Night. Let's go. Run. Need help? Look at that! I just got hit. This, oh, I'm so mad. Oh my god. He didn't even do that much damage. And he's blaming me. He's saying, you shouldn't have done that. So freaking pissed. So mad. So, let me show you what happened here. Oh, I feel bad. Because, it was already damaged. So I was right here. Like, I just pulled out because I had to get his insurance. I was right here, guys. Like, right here. And little girls were coming right there. And they were literally, like, right on the sidewalk. And I went to go like this, and then I went like this. Just to, because I thought I was gonna hit the little girl. She was almost on the road. I mean, it wasn't her fault either. I'm so mad. I'm trying not to, like, be that upset. Okay, I'm a little bit more calm, and I'm gonna need some fresh air for this. So, what happened? I was pulling out, like I showed you. And there was a little girl on a bike, and it looked like she was gonna keep going. Like, I don't know, she had to put her feet down to, like, kind of stop. Her bike is, I saw it, and it was like mine, and the brakes are so bad. Like, they're bad. And so I was already going to go, like, turn, and the little girl was, like, right there. And that is a oh my gosh, what do you call it? Crossing? What is it called? I have it on the tip of my tongue. Like, where you cross on the road, like, people are supposed to stop on those lines. Anyway, so I stopped. It's a stop sign. So I made my stop, and I went ahead, and I was about to go, but I saw this little girl. I was like, heck no, I'm not going. I'm going to wait. There's no way I was going to run over a little girl. And I got hit. That's when I got hit. When I stopped, and I wasn't even, like, I wasn't even going fast. Like, I didn't even pull out quickly and, like, braked. I was already going, and I just, like, pressed on my brakes. It wasn't like a, you know, when you press on your brakes and you're like, holy, like, you know. And I feel this, and I was like, oh no, like, oh crap. And I was thinking, like, he parked, obviously. That's the right thing to do. I'm not like, oh my gosh, he's so sweet, he parked. So he parked, and so I parked too. And first thing he says, I know I hit you, but you shouldn't have stopped. I was like, the little girl was right there. What if, like, I didn't know if she was gonna cross. He was like, she wasn't going to cross. I was like, I was not going to run over a little girl. I said, I'm not going to take the chance to run over a little girl. And then he kept arguing. I was like, okay, you hit me. Like, this was not my fault. You hit me. And it was not the little girl's fault either. I don't know if he was turning away. Like, it wasn't that hard to, like, just brake. I don't know what happened. I don't know. I have no idea if he was on his phone. I don't know. So, guys, the first thing I was going to say was, oh, don't worry about it. It's already, like, ruined anyway. Why am I so mad? And that's what I was going to say. I was going to say, don't worry about it. It's already ruined anyway. And then he starts arguing. So he gave me his insurance card. So now I'm going to file. Like, I don't even care. I'm going to get a new bumper. I don't care. Now he's going to fix my whole bumper for, like, damage he didn't even cause, because he hit me and started arguing with me. I'm so mad. I'm gonna go get my daughter. I'm just gonna go pick up my daughter and brighten my day a little bit. I'm gonna show you what he did, but at home. People are gonna look at me like a crazy person recording her car. He almost only like took off the paint, like cracked the paint. He didn't really do damage. I don't think he did. I'm gonna look again and see, but I don't think he really did damage. But I'm getting a new bumper because he started arguing. Like, there's ways to approach things. There's ways. Like, I would not blame it on anybody else if I rear-ended somebody. I don't know. Just pay attention. Like, I know it could happen to me. Like, it's okay, but just your attitude. Like, that's what just made me, like, mad. The attitude. I wasn't even mad when he hit me. I'm gonna go pick up my dog. He chipped this, he did this, and this right here.
And you're the one that got yelled at?
And I'm the one that got yelled at. I feel so bad. I feel bad, like, I don't know. And my sister was like, I don't understand why he came up, like, at you, like it was your fault. I would have been, like, getting off my car saying, sorry, 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 and I would have too. That makes me so mad, and I just filed the claim. That's why I feel bad, because I just filed the claim, so his insurance is gonna go up. I feel like a bad person.